Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. In today's episode, we're going to talk about hobbies, the things you like to do in your free time.
That's right. Talking about your hobbies is a great way to make friends and practice speaking English. It helps people learn more about you.
So, what is a hobby? A hobby is something you enjoy doing when you are not working or studying.
Exactly. For example, reading, cooking, painting, playing football, or listening to music. These can all be hobbies.
Right. You can say, my hobby is reading, or I like playing football.
Or you can say, I enjoy watching movies, or I love dancing. There are many ways to talk about hobbies in English.
Let's do a short example. David, what are your hobbies?
I have a few. I like playing the guitar, hiking, and cooking. When I have free time, I usually play music or go for a walk in the park.
That sounds great. I didn't know you liked hiking.
Yes, I love nature. How about you, Emily? What are your hobbies?
I like drawing and listening to music. Sometimes I also like baking cookies on the weekend.
Oh, that sounds delicious. What kind of music do you like to listen to?
Mostly pop and soft music. It helps me relax.
Nice. I think everyone needs a hobby to relax and have fun.
If you want to ask someone about their hobbies, you can say, what do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? What are your favorite things to do?
Those are all great questions. And to answer, you can say, I like, I love, my hobby is.
For example, I love painting. I like watching movies. My hobby is playing basketball.
You can also give more details about your hobby. For example, I like reading books because it's relaxing. I play football every Sunday with my friends. I enjoy cooking new recipes.
That's a good idea. Adding details makes your English sound more natural.
Exactly. Let's try another mini conversation.
Okay.
Emily, do you have any new hobbies?
Yes. Recently, I started learning how to play the piano.
Wow, that's awesome. Is it hard?
A little bit, but it's also fun. I practice every evening.
Good for you. I want to learn an instrument too someday.
Let's review some useful phrases from today's episode. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? I like, I love, my hobby is, I enjoy.
Perfect. You can use these phrases to talk about yourself, meet new people, and start great conversations.
Now, here's your challenge. Think about 3 hobbies you enjoy. Say them out loud using English sentences.
For example, I like reading books. I love cooking. I enjoy playing football with my friends.
You can also write them down in your notebook or share them with your classmates.
That's all for today's episode of Everyday English. We hope you had fun talking about hobbies with us.
Next time, we'll learn some useful English for going to a restaurant.
Ooh, that sounds tasty already.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.